How to fix word error, some margins outside the printable area. If you're trying to print or save a document in Microsoft Word and keep getting hit with this error, it usually means your page margins are narrower than what your printer can physically print. So I'm going to show you step by step how to fix or bypass this error. So let's discuss the fastest way. So when you go to print your document and the warning pop-up appears asking if you want to continue, look at the options at the bottom of that dialog box. So I'm just going to press print, and when you have that, just click the fix button instead of yes or no. And Word will automatically calculate your connected printer's exact hardware boundaries and adjust your margins just enough so no text gets cut off. And if Word doesn't display the fix button, or if your layout looks distorted, after auto-fixing, you can adjust your margin boundaries manually. So head to the top menu ribbon, let me exit out of here, and then click on Layout tab, here. Then click on Margins. In here, in the page setup section, select Normal, right here, which sets the safe 1-inch margin. If you need a tight layout, select Custom Margins here at the very bottom, and make sure that your top, bottom, left and right margins are set to at least 0.5 inches. Most home or office printers require at least half an inch of border space to feed paper correctly. Finally, if you're exporting your Word document to a PDF file rather than printing it on a physical paper, you can safely ignore this error entirely. When saving a PDF or using Microsoft Print to PDF, just say yes or ignore on that pop-up window. Virtual PDF printers don't have a physical hardware print heads, so your edge-to-edge narrow layout will render completely fine without losing any content. That is it. Enjoy the guide, guys.